Right, lads, I want to talk to us today about global warming and things that don't teach you in science class or anywhere really. You think you have to find out for yourself. Anyway, good news about global warming is it's not our fault, right? You know what I mean? It's not just happening on the Earth, it's happening on all the planets in the solar system. Mercury has started to develop a magnetosphere. It's right up against the sun, like, you know what I mean? Its magnetosphere started to grow, and there's ice now found in the poles of it and in nooks and crannies in it. When I thought it was burnt to a crisp, like, it turns out that there's quite something going on there, like, you know. Venus has increased in brightness by 2,600% in the last 15 or 20 years, and it's even those like CMEs coming off it the other week there. Earth, we've had the odd 30 leap seconds in the last 40 years. That's a second to add on, when they're adjusting the clock, so because they can't figure out time. The time's changing, like the Schumann resonance it's going to go up to 13. It's at about 11.8 or something at the minute. Gone up from 8 since about 1988, like. So a lot of 8s and involved in that there. I'm not sure if they're right, like. Anyway. So the Schumann resonance has gone up, and that there, and there's all sorts of crazy changes going on there. Our magnetospheres turned weird. New particles are streaming in from out in the galaxy somewhere. They don't know what the fuck they are. You know what I mean? Particles that have never been seen before. And then you come out to Mars. The atmosphere's doubled in thickness. The atmosphere's doubled in thickness. The ice caps are starting to melt. There's fucking going to be running water on it soon, you know. So this is going on. This is going on right across the place. Up in Jupiter, the Great Red Spot. There's another big spot started in Jupiter, and all sorts of changes going on there, and all sorts of the moons of Jupiter, Io, and all that. There's new spots appearing on it, and the whole constitution of these fucking very planets is changing, like, you know. So Saturn has started getting auroras and stuff like that, and the big hexagonal dome on the ring and all that there, and even the rings all were cleaned up. They were all dusty and dirty and black with carbon. They seem to have all filtered out the debris, like, and they're all clean now. The rings look a lot cleaner than they used to. Out at Neptune and its moon Triton, big changes going on there. The atmosphere's changed, the brightness has got far brighter, there's new clouds involved in the atmosphere and all sorts. And Uranus is all, it's got cloudier and different atmosphere and electromagnetic stuff going on. And even away far out in Pluto's getting further away from us. It's not even a planet anymore. Its atmosphere's doubled and it's starting to get brighter. Like, how does it do that away out there? You know, so the changes, they're not just happening here, they're happening everywhere. So enjoy it. I don't think we've anything to worry about. Then of course there's the sun. The sun has shrunk 16% in the last 60 years. It's got smaller, like, and there's been more solar activity in the last 20 or 30 years than there's been in the last 1100 years before it. Right, since we're measuring solar activity and sunspots. And for a couple of years there's no sunspots at all. I thought the sun was broke. I thought it was nothing. You know what I mean? And then it's turned out they're starting to ramp up again. There's loads of sunspots coming, and there was a big one today. Fired a CME straight at us. So expect rain in a couple of days, because that's actually what the CMEs throw off into space. Water. The fucking sun's a big ball of water. Crazy stuff, but true. And anyway, that's the crack. Lots of things going on. Lots of things they're not telling us. Find the truth, and the truth shall set you free. One love, lads. Take it easy.